Supreme Court is there to interpret the constitution, saying, don't I have the right to enter the ladies' toilet? What?
Because I'm Catholic, right? I don't know this culture because I'm Catholic, right? Hello everybody and welcome to the channel of Legal Humming. This is me Deshna Jha. So क्यों ना बैठ के रिएक्ट करा जाए एक वीडियो पे जिसमें होने वाला एक बहुत तड़कता भड़कता डिबेट बिटवीन सदगुरु एंड अ लॉ स्टूडेंट एंड आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड. तो without further ado, let's start reacting to the video. Here I'll pop up the video for you all ताकि आप और मैं इसे साथ में देख सके और react कर सके.
Before I ask my question, I just have to tell you that I was very impressed by your e-commerce website, which sells yoga merchandise. I think it's really cool. It's better than Flipkart and Amazon, and I hope that in a few years' time, it will become the biggest e-commerce company.
It's a conscious decision I have taken that our commerce part is done just to take care of a few things. Our commerce will never grow beyond the foundation part. I clearly made the distinction, there's Isha Foundation and there's Isha Business, and we have contained the business. In spite of enormous demand, we have contained the business because…
So it's very impressive, sir.
No, you should not be impressed by that. You must come and see what I do otherwise.
Sir.
Very amazing beginning of this video. तो ये जो other than being a law student in general, if you are interviewing someone or if you are liking and willing to ask a question to someone, this is the best way to start. Just let them know that you know about their business and foundations and whatever kind of person is there in front of you, and tell them that you really love their work. So it's a good way of starting to ask a question to anyone. So plus point to him.
The real thing.
My question, I want to tell you that I was also very impressed by your commitment to rule of law that was evident from the discussions that we've had. In the same light, I just want to ask you that…
Okay, he's gonna ask a question, but he mentioned about rule of law. ठीक है, तो रूल ऑफ लॉ जिनको नहीं पता है, वैसे तो आप लॉ स्टूडेंट हो, आपको बहुत अच्छे से रूल ऑफ लॉ पता ही होगा क्या होता है. रूल ऑफ लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग नो वन इज अबव लॉ. और अगर इसको और ब्रीफली तुम्हें और सब डिवाइड करना है इस चीज़ को, तो यू कैन से दैट रूल ऑफ लॉ बेसिकली इज द रीजन ऑफ इक्वालिटी. सो नोबडी इज अबव लॉ, एवरीवन इज जस्ट इक्वल. ओके, लेट्स सी कि ये क्या पूछने वाला है अब.
In one of the blogs that you have written in your website, you speak about women's entry to Shani temples. Look, the reason why they shouldn't be allowed is because there are planetary forces and it's not good for women to enter these temples. In the same vein, I just want to tell you a little bit about the law on the point. There are Supreme Court judgments which say that if you make laws which tend to be discriminatory for women, it cannot be a justification that we are doing it for their benefit. That cannot be the justification for any law that discriminates against women. This is the law of the land. So in that same vein, would you say that if that is the law of the land and you're committed to the ideals of law, then one, how do you justify that?
Think about his question. It's a good question, no doubt. अच्छा question है. This video is quite old, and ये सबरीमाला टेम्पल का जब इशू हुआ था, व्हेन देयर वाज दिस डिस्कशन कि इज इट डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी इन टर्म्स ऑफ जेंडर जब आप किसी विमेन को सर्टेन टेम्पल्स में जाने से रोकते हो. दिस वाज अ वेरी हॉट टॉपिक दैट टाइम, एंड ठीक है, इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन टू बी आस्क्ड.
So do not make these judgments and don't think it's very smart to simply make judgments or everything. You are a lawyer, you are not a judge, all right?
But see, to be a good lawyer, you have to be a good judge eventually, क्योंकि तभी तुम अच्छे से judgments और decisions ले पाओगे और उस according you will do your arguments. So even I feel irritated.
Women's rights, yes. About Shani Signapur. See, first of all, you have a misunderstanding that Indian temple is a place of prayer. Indian temple is not a place of prayer. I want you to know this. Different temples were built in different ways for specific purposes. Shani temple is built for occult purposes. Occult means, you know what's occult?
Yeah,
What is
sort
the
of black
Telugu word for
magic.
occult?
I'm not sure. It's sort of black magic.
What people call as black magic or whatever, you know?
Black
There are
magic.
certain occult practices where if the occult practices are being done, women in state of pregnancy, in menstrual cycles, it could seriously impact their life. So they said women should not go. It was also designed that on a certain day, if the woman is in a certain condition, on a full moon day she can go, other days… These are prescriptions, these are not restrictions. These are prescriptions, these are not discriminations. These are done with a specific intent. Or, now that you're talking about women's rights, why don't you fight for the men's rights? In our temple, the Bhairavi temple that we have, men are not allowed inside the sanctum.
Is the knowledge that's coming from the Supreme Court of the country.
No, please
You
understand.
are…
No, please
you are…
listen to me.
Sir, you're still not addressing the point that who are you and I sitting here to make prescriptions for women and say that this is harmful for you, hence don't do it, or this is not harmful and you shouldn't do it. It's not up for you and I to do it. If it's harmful and they still want to do it, they are free to do it, right? I mean, you say that what people want to do in their bedroom, it's an individual choice. If women want to enter it, they want to enter it. Who are us to stop it?
He's very aggressive in asking questions. Yeah, matlab, in fact, being a law student and being a good law student, you should know how to ask a question in a very limited manner.
Question is, who are you to tell the ladies whether they should go to this or not?
No, I'm saying they should have the option. I'm saying they should have the option.
So, I mean, just to give a similar example, sir, alcohol
I got
might…
it. I got it. There are hundreds of temples in the country where men cannot enter. So if men say…
There's a history of discrimination
That is a different matter. See, you're mixing up two things. There is unfortunate history of discrimination on all levels, that's a different matter, that has to be settled in a different way. But when a specific aspect comes, if you want to rule out all the subtler aspects of life and just say this is it… Anyway, let me tell you this. This I'm on camera, let me tell you this, okay? Supreme Court is there to interpret the constitution. It cannot create a new constitution. Doesn't matter what are the powers of the court. It cannot create a new constitution. It is only there to interpret the law
I
the
guess
way it
it's
is.
debatable, it's not absolute.
Am I right? You're all lawyers? Hello?
That's debatable. That's debatable.
Ah.
Yeah, exactly, that's debatable and not exactly like…
When you debate that, there is going to be lots of problems. Because every pressure point, people will apply, every motivated group will push for their own laws. Is it happening simply because of a discrimination against a gender? If it is so, it must be struck down absolutely. But if there are other aspects to it, if you think you cannot consider anything else, then it's ridiculous. It becomes ridiculous. It's like saying, don't I have the right to enter the ladies' toilet? What nonsense is this? Do you need a law? You just need sense that you don't go there.
I'm sorry, sir, you can continue with your
The
question.
problem, sir, Mr. Joe, you do not know the culture of this nation. You're talking simply activism.
Yeah,
without knowing the
because I'm
culture of
Catholic,
this
right?
nation. Because in this…
Because I'm Catholic, right? I don't know this culture because I'm Catholic, right? You need to know the culture of the nation because you are a law student, right? See, there are certain laws which are absolutely made to protect the religion and the customs of the citizens of that country. It brings the essence of that law. We, being in India, we have so much of diverse culture. We even have laws like Hindu Marriage Act, Muslim laws. Why do we have them? Because we need to understand the culture and make certain laws. Okay, just imagine a scenario where you put a law in Hindu Marriage Act and say कि 3 बार कबूल है बोलोगे तो marriage होगा वरना नहीं मानेंगे. Please, you need to understand that culture to eventually understand their laws. So that is really wrong. You should never, as a law student, you should never do that. That's really wrong.
In this culture, the idea of discrimination never arose. I want you to understand, even before other countries ever thought of even giving franchise to the women, This country did not even debate whether women should have voting rights or not, it's simply there because in our culture we never thought so. So the discrimination, exploitation is there. I want you to understand, there is exploitation, there is no necessary discrimination. Misunderstand exploitation and discrimination in a fundamental way. Discrimination is a different aspect, exploitation is a different aspect.
I think, Job, we can agree to disagree here and let's move on. One last question will be…
Oh, okay, so that is it about the conversation with Joe and Sadhguruji. So that was quite a great conversation, debate, बहुत भयंकर सा माहौल हो गया था. I really enjoyed watching it. I loved reacting to it. And definitely जब मैं react कर रही होंगी तो आप लोगों का भी कुछ reaction होगा, आपके भी कुछ points होंगे. So वो points लिखो यार comment section में और let's have a good discussion in the comment section. Why not do that? So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. इसका ना एक और part भी है. I can see कि बहुत सारे students ने और question पूछे हैं. तो इफ़ यू वांट तो हम इसका पार्ट 2 भी बना सकते हैं, साथ में बैठ के ऐसे ही रिएक्ट कर सकते हैं. करो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो. प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. आई हैव क्रॉस 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स. थैंक यू सो मच for that. I'm really grateful for all of you who subscribe to my channel and let's make it a huge community. हम लोग साथ में पढ़ सकते हैं, enjoy कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारी fun videos बना सकते हैं and yes, so please subscribe to my channel. This is me, Deshna Jain, signing off now. Bye.